All right, guys. Uh, Good evening or greetings to all of you. Today, let's go ahead and we'll be solving mathematics for customs. So, if you're preparing, you wanna go in for customs. Yes. So I'm here with you today. We're going to be looking at mathematics. We're going to look at mathematics 2023 section B. Yes, so this is exactly what we're going to be doing. Section B was rated 10 marks. Yes, and it was made up of 2 questions. Yeah, so we are going to go through these 2 questions, and at the end of the day, preparing you for the exam which you are facing, customs concours. All right, so let's get started. Question 1. We have this table. So this is the table. We have number of mangoes harvested, number of mangoes. So I'll just write mangoes here, and then down here we have number of students. So the table goes like this. We have 3, we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So now we have here 2, 1, 2, 1, 4, 2, 1, 4, 6, 7, 9, 16, 5. There's an error. 2, 5, 16 here. So please excuse me, correct some errors here. All right, so here we have 2, 1, 4, 6, 7, 9. All right, so there's no 11. After 9 we have 16. On the table there's no 11. Okay, so that's where the error came. So now we have 5, 2, 2. Okay, so now the first question says state the mode. Just by looking, you can state the mode. You look at the highest frequency, meaning that the highest number of students, it should be 16. So 16 corresponds to the number of mangoes, which is 10. So the mode is equal to 10. The next, find the median. Good. So we have to first find the position of the median. So in a data like this one, they say there are 60 students. Good. So since there are 60 students, the position of the median is gotten by n plus 1 on 2. So n plus 1, 60 plus 1 is 61 over 2 is 30.5. Good. So this is the position of the median. So now we start counting from here, from this number of students from here, and then we count and we go this way until we reach 30.5. It becomes our median. So let's go. This is 2. So I'm going to be adding 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. Yes. So 3 plus 4 now is 7. So this 7. We add 6. It makes 13. 7 plus 6 is 13. We add 6 again. It makes 19. We add 7. It makes 26. We add 9. So when we are adding 9 now, from here is 26 here. Yes. So when we are adding 9 to 26, it is giving us 35, which is already above this. So now what happens is, it means that the 30th and the 30th.5 item is here. Is here. So what does it mean? The median is 9. So this is our answer. Median equal to 9. Okay, so we'll go to the next question. Calculate the mean number of mangoes harvested to 1 decimal place. Okay, so we're calculating the mean number of mangoes harvested and we're calculating it to 1 decimal place. Okay, so the number of mangoes, it simply means that we're going to add all the number of mangoes and then we divide by what? We divide by the so let's go ahead. Mean number of mango harvested. We have 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 plus 12 plus 13 plus 14. All right, and then we divide by what? This is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. We divide by 11. So let's go ahead and add them. We have 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 plus 12 plus 13 then plus 14. So it gives us 91. So we take that 91 divided by 11 and then it gives us 8.27. They say to 1 decimal place, so it is 8.3. This is the answer. All right. Now, the next question says draw a group frequency table for the classes. So now, we have to draw a group frequency table for the various classes. So this is what we are going to do. We have the foreign classes. So we are going to have class. Here now we are going to have frequency. So the classes we have 3 to 5, 6 to 8, 6 to 8, then we have 9 to 11, and then we have 12 to 14. Talking about the frequencies, you draw it as a table. So talking about the frequency 3 to 5, you add all these frequencies. So it is 4 plus 2, which is 6 plus 1, 7. Here you have 7. Then now you have 6 to 8. 6 to 8, you 6 to 8. Please, I have to bring the frequency. Anyway. So, alright, so let's do it this way. We have class, and then we have frequency. I want to leave out some space, that's why I'm doing this. So for the classes, you have 3 to 5, 6 to 8, 9 to 11, 12 to 14. Now frequency 3 to 5, we have to add 2 plus 1 plus 4, it gives us 7. 6 to 8, for 6 to 8 we have to add 6 plus 6 plus 7, it gives us, this is 12. 12 plus 7 should give us 19. Yeah, so write the 19 here. 9 to 11, from 9 we'll add 9 plus 16, so 9 plus 16 should give us 25. 12 to 14, 12 to 14 is 5 plus 2 plus 2, which is 9. Next question. Represent the grouped data on a histogram. So the next thing is histogram. This is how a histogram looks like. You draw it like this, then like this. Here you put number of students. Number of students. Here you put number of what? Mangoes. Number of mangoes. So now you have to put the various. Okay, so actually want to put by the class. So here this class is, let me use a different ink since, yeah, so this class is, we have 3 to 5, 3 to 5, 6 to 8, 9 to 11, 12 to 14. So now here for the number of students, for the various classes, 3 to 5 is 7. And remember, we are representing on a histogram, and you know how a histogram looks like. So 3 to 5 we have 7. So so we are going to change this. Very good. So rather here we are going to put the class, and then here now we are going to put the number of students. So the classes now, you have 3 to 5, you have 6 to 8, you have 9 to 11, and you have 12 to 14. So here now you can put intervals of 5. You have 0 here, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So now you can go ahead and plot or draw your graph. 3 to 5 is 7. So 7 should be somewhere around here. That's 3 to 5. 6 to 8 should be 19. So 19 should be some good. Then now 9 to 11, 25. So it goes right up to 25. Then the last one is 9. 9 is actually somewhere here. Good. So this is how your histogram is supposed to look like, and that is the end of this question. Next question. The question reads, given that x minus 2 is a factor of f of x where f of x is equal to 2x cubed plus x squared minus 7x minus 3b. They say x minus 2 is a factor, so we need to find the value of b. So the first thing you need to know that if x minus 2 is a factor, it means that x equal to 2 is a root. So, and also means that f of 2 is equal to 0. So now we have that f of 2 equal to 0. This means that 2 cubed plus 2 squared minus 7 2 minus 3b equal to 0. 2 cubed is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. 20 minus 14 is 6. So we now have that 3b is equal to 6. We divide both sides by 3 and b is equal to 2. Now the next question says, hence factorize f of x completely. So now in factorizing f of x completely, we know that x minus 2 is a factor of f of x. So we need to now go ahead and factorize it completely. So we need to start by long division. So the long division goes like this: 2x cubed plus x squared minus 7x minus 3b. We divide by x minus 2. So here we have 2x squared, 2x cubed minus 4, because 2x squared times negative 2 is negative 4x squared. Now we subtract. X squared minus x squared is 5x squared minus 7x. So now 5x squared we divide and we have plus 5x. We multiply, we have 5x squared minus 10x, we subtract. So now you have negative 7x minus 10x. So this gives you 3x. Then we now take minus 3b. Good. And our b, remember the value for b was 2. So it's minus 3 times 2, which is 6. Good. So now 3x divided by x is 3. So we have plus 3. And then here we have 3x minus 6. And when we subtract, we have 0, 0. So indeed, it is a factor of f of x. So now, we need to go ahead and factorize this. We need to go ahead and factorize 2x squared plus 5x plus 3. So we need two factors. So now we need two factors of 6 that when added gives us 5. So these two factors can only be 2 and 3. When added 5, when multiplied 6. So you now have 2x squared. I hope you know how to do this. 2x squared plus 2x plus 3x plus 3. So this gives you factorize 2, you will now have, so let me see. Yes, 2x squared, there's a problem. Okay, so you can factorize 2x. So let's go ahead and factorize 2x. So you have x plus 1. Then here you factorize 3. You also have x plus 1. So now it means you have 2x plus 3. Then you have x plus 1. So now factorizing f of x completely, it means we now have f of x being, first of all, x minus 2. Then now 2x plus 3. And finally x plus 1. So here we have factorized f of x completely. Now the next part of the equation says hence, okay, we have factorized already. The next part, which is 1.5 marks, it says solve for x in z. So I have to clean so that we can now do something. So where is my touch pad? I have to do this. All right. We have to solve for x. It means we need to have we are going to continue from here. We have already that x minus 2, then times 2x plus 3, 2x plus 3, then times x plus 1, x plus 1. So let me clean this and then I'll show you what to do. All right. Okay, so we have that f of x is this. We have x. We have to solve the equation f of x equals to 0. So if we have that f of x now has become x minus 2, yeah, x minus 2, 2x plus 3, then x plus 1. All right, so and then we're solving for f of x equal to 0. It means that we are saying that this x, x minus 2, 2x plus 3, x plus 1 equal to 0. So it is going to have 3 solutions. The 3 solutions include x minus 2 equal to 0, x equal to 2. Next solution, 2x plus 3 equal to 0, 2x equal to negative 3, x equal to negative 3 on 2. Last solution, x plus 1 equal to 0, x equal to negative 1. So these are the 3 solutions of f of x equal to 0. And this is the end of the solution to Mathematics Section B, Customs 2023. Thank you for watching. and see you in the next lesson. Bye.